Hey everyone, Terry Kalkanis, founder of Seabright Capital here on Friday. Happy New Year to you all. Thought it would be important to touch base with the market action recently and the volatility continuing. I'm going to give you some inside tips on what I've learned over the years to make a formidable game plan. And we're finding a lot of opportunities in this market right now. Especially today, there was some breaking news on some changing fundamentals and the Federal Reserve's approach to interest rate increases. They're going to be a little bit lighter on their schedule or their calendar to raise interest rates, and the market's taking that very positively. So we're seeing some important technical levels being reestablished, and we wanted to give you some insights on what we do when we find things that we want to buy in the market or short in the market. So number one, we want to identify various important subjects, such as what is the current market trend. So far the last 3-4 months the primary trend is down, but we're seeing some signs of a short-term base being established as some of this new news comes out with respect to interest rate cycles. And next week the China-US negotiations on the trade war are going to be discussed in more detail. So where we are in the market is important to understand how to set up the rest of your strategy. Second thing to identify, catalyst to change. So today we had a catalyst to change in the changing fundamentals of the market. We had Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell tell the market that he's flexible with respect to how the pace of interest rate increases will resume based on market volatility and economic activity that's currently happening. Number three would be important price levels. So where are the important price levels in the overall broad indexes like the S&P 500 or the Russell 2000 or the Dow Jones Industrials? Seabright Capital sets out daily notes to its subscribers with these important price levels. And right now in the market today, we're seeing some of those important price levels being attacked by bulls in the market trying to reestablish some technical strength. The second important point, prepare. You have to be prepared, and you have to know what to buy and what to sell when the market moves in either an upward or downward direction. So have your list of stocks ready. Seabright Capital sends out a list of its favorite stocks that it's watching with price levels, and you'll have the ability to set your alerts, which is very important. That's a big part of preparation. You got to set your price alerts. So once you've established your favorite stocks, you set your price alerts. And you set your price alerts for both the broad market indexes that you're following, and you set your price alerts for the stocks that you're following. So if the broad market's breaking out or breaking down, that's a great confirmation for you to identify whether that favorite stock of yours is going to break out or break down. And thirdly, buying and sell strategy for preparation is key. So once you know where the primary trend of the market is, and once you have established a catalyst to the changing fundamentals of the market, you can understand what your buy and sell strategy. So investors over the last 4 to 8 weeks have had a bearish mood. So they've probably had a shorting strategy or a selling strategy to their overall game plan. And the third and probably the most important thing out of the entire setup is acting with patience and confidence. And there's a lot of fear of missing out in the market, whether the markets are shooting up or going down. Being patient and waiting for your targets to hit and executing your game plan with confidence, whether you're buying or selling or shorting, is of importance to your overall success. So once again, thanks for joining me today. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to also hit the on button for notifications. When we send out new content to our YouTube channel, you'll be notified. You can also follow us at Seabright Capital on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.